Buying a home that needs work? I'll get you real answers in minutes. Buying a house is stressful enough. Add in repairs and things you want to renovate, and it's overwhelming. You get hit with tons of questions. How much will it cost? Can I afford it? What's the bottom line? Who do I even reach out to? You need answers fast. Googling for answers? Good luck. It's a black hole of conflicting info. Asking contractors? They'll be all over the map and leave you hanging. That's even if you can find one quick enough. And waiting on your lender? By the time they respond, the house you love might already be sold. See, that's where I come in. I'm your on-the-spot solution. In minutes, I'll break down renovation costs, monthly payments, and loan details. You'll have clear, confident answers right when you need them. See this kitchen? I estimated the remodel costs in minutes. Now they know how to roll it into their mortgage and exactly what their monthly payment will be. Imagine walking into your dream home, renovated your way, with zero surprises about the costs. I'm Sean Thompson. Stop guessing and start planning. DM me now or click the link below and let's tackle your dream home together.